Welcome to English Boost TV, where you learn real English through simple conversations. In today's episode, you will learn how to build English sentences step by step so you can speak naturally and confidently. Let's get started.
David, I understand English words, but I still struggle to make sentences.
That's very common, Emma. Many learners know words but don't know how to connect them.
Exactly. I don't know where to start.
Don't worry. Today, I'll show you a simple step-by-step method. Step 1. Start with subject plus verb. Every sentence starts with a subject and a verb.
Like, I eat?
Perfect. I eat, she works, they play.
That's easy.
Step 2. Add object, more information. Now let's add more information.
Okay.
I eat food. She works in an office. They play football.
Oh, now the sentence is clearer.
Step 3. Add time or place. Great. Now let's make it more natural.
How?
Add time or place.
Example?
I eat food in the morning. She works in an office every day. They play football in the park.
Now it sounds like real English.
Step 4. Use simple connectors. Now let's connect ideas using simple words.
Like and.
Exactly. I wake up early and go to work. I drink coffee and read a book.
That makes sentences longer and smoother.
Step 5. Speak naturally. Don't overthink. The most important step, don't overthink.
That's my biggest problem.
Just speak simple sentences first. Fluency comes later. Let's practice. Tell me about your day using these steps.
Okay. I wake up early. I drink coffee. I go to work.
Good. Now connect them.
I wake up early, drink coffee, and go to work.
Excellent. Now add time.
I wake up early in the morning, drink coffee, and go to work.
Perfect sentence.
Sometimes I try to make very long sentences and I get confused.
That's a common mistake. Start small, then grow step by step.
So I don't need perfect grammar.
No, you need clear communication.
That makes me feel more confident. I think I can finally start speaking in sentences.
Yes, just practice every day.
Thank you, David.
Anytime. Great job. Now you know how to build English sentences step by step. Practice daily, keep it simple, and speak with confidence. Thanks for listening to English Boost TV. See you in the next episode.